Hi guys, it's George from Currys, and today we're going to be looking at 3 things we love on the brilliant Neff induction hob. It gives you extra heat when you need it, it's easy to set up so you can start cooking sooner, and it makes sure you're cooking safely. Now I'm going to get myself over to the lab so we can have a look at things in a little bit more detail. You'll be able to spend more time eating than cooking with this Neff induction hob. That's because it takes the cooking times down to a minimum and you're able to whack up the heat when you're searing stir fries and more. Now to show you what difference this actually makes, we've got some pasta cooking in this pot here, and on the packet it says it's going to take about 12 to 14 minutes to cook. However, we've got the power boost on and we're going to see how much time we save on cooking it. So we're just over the 10-minute mark, and if I pull a bit of this pasta out here, you can see that's cooked and ready to eat. So you're going to be saving yourself a few minutes. You don't need to make time or fork out any money to get an electrician round to come and install it into your kitchen. It keeps the setup simple, as you can plug it into a standard 13 amp plug and get using it straight away. It also makes cooking that little bit safer by making sure each zone switches on and heats up only when an induction pot or pan is placed on it. If you want to find out more info on this Neff induction hob, visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.